Hey, what's going on, you guys? So here we are with another video for you guys. So this is a new motor we got, the Xtreme Power 7 horsepower. So this is the one we're going to be using. It's a little bigger than the Predator 212, I believe, since this one's a 7 and the other one's a 6.5. So here's the box. This is the motor we got. We picked up this motor for $212, I believe, with shipping and everything to the house. And this motor is going to be for the blue mini bike. So the red one's already, has its built motor, and here's the blue one. So we're going to be opening this one up, seeing what it's like. Let's cut it up. We normally don't do unboxing videos, but since I've never used one of these motors, figured it'd be a good time to see what they send us, or what does it come with. Alright, so looks like they sent us some pull string, spark plug tool. Not sure if that's an extra spark plug. Here's what the motor looks like in here. The Xtreme Power. They're literally based off the Honda clone, so they're all the same like the Predators. Wrapped up pretty good in here. Alright, let's open it up, take it out. Okay, let's close this real quick. Oh, that's not gonna work. Alright, give me a quick second, you guys. Okay, so I took the motor out, got it set up right here so you guys can see it. So this one says it has electronic ignition, so I'm guessing it's just like the Ghost motor. So yeah, that's, I guess, pretty cool. 7 horse, Xtreme Power. So theirs are a little bit different gas tank wise. It even has their little emblem on here. It looks pretty good. Same similar carburetor. They come with no oil, obviously, so we're gonna have to add oil, stuff like that. So it does say right here that it is a 212, so I'm guessing it's still a 212 then. This one makes a little more power. So okay, and this one's made by Lifen, so the same as like the pit bike motors and stuff like that. So still looks similar. Casting don't look bad on it. On this side, what do we got? Yeah, all looks similar. Same shaft. It comes with the little key, which we won't be using because our clutch already has it built in. The block, yeah, it's all similar to the regular Predator 212s. Same stock exhaust. Of course, we ain't gonna be using that. There's the carburetor. So yeah, don't look bad. It says you can use 10% ethanol in it. Yeah, see, so it comes with a spark plug. Comes with extra rope. And a couple other little things. The owner's manual. So it's not bad. Not a bad buy, so it'll be fun to put this on the blue mini bike and see what it does. So let me know what you guys think about it. And if anybody's interested in this motor, It is the Xtreme Power model 62027. So yeah, alright you guys, I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for following along, and hope you guys like this quick little video.